Let's face it, we all have strange cravings and favorite weird food combination that we think are absolutely delicious but sound gross to other people. Certain seemingly weird food combinations have universally found out though and are spreading for everyone else to try and become more normal. So open your minds and your stomach as we go through these weird food combinations that are delicious as well as seem damn whacked out to some. Broccoli and Cheetos. Well, the name itself suggests a lot. Keeping with the tradition of using a cheese sauce, this dish introduces the Cheetos by adding broccoli lightly crushed as a topping, salami and grapes. Don't frown, some tin salami when uncanned is served along with ripe grapes and it's treated as a delicacy in various parts of the world. Melted chocolate on cheese pizza. This might sound like an ultimate treat to any foodie. This seems more like a mashup of main course and desserts. Fresh popped popcorn with milk. This one is the most whacked out cereal offer. And we better not say if you are considering caramel popcorn. Peanut butter and mayo sandwich. Tell me if you don't feel the lump in your throat already thanks to the tangy, sweet and salt factor. Chicken nuggets dipped in Sprite. Pomegranate and meat. This might seem more like a visual treat. Ramen and cheese. This one is the ultimate must try. Bacon dipped in peanut butter. This one sounds more kinky than anything else. So what do you guys have to say about these crazy food combinations? Now it's your turn to tell me about some weird food combos that you have experimented. Do not forget to mention them right below in the comment box and to subscribe to us for more such interesting videos.